Hey guys, what's up? So to on top of share trees, I iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. The first tweak is called Call Recorder X Plus, and records any phone call or VoIP call on your device without using an external call service. So you can easily manage your recordings. It supports Skype, Viber, callboard support as a quick record button directly into the call view. So you save your recordings to Google Drive. You have activator support by toggling the recordings. So pretty cool. So make sure you guys read this and comply with this legal notice. And me, or the developer, not responsibility if you guys use this. Make sure you guys comply and follow your laws in your area. And yeah, pretty cool. Next is called Super Recorder X Plus. Same deal goes. Record phone calls via IP without using external service. So you can automatically record any incoming or outgoing call without using any interaction. Supports phone, VoIP calls, Viber, Skype, FaceTime, Line, YouTube, etc. Play, delete, share your recordings quickly using activated gestures. So record what you hear. So as you record every sound that comes out of your device using an activated gesture. You can change your voice. So pretty cool. Volume amplifier, you can amplify your volume. And just make sure you guys follow this legal notice and comply with and follow the laws in your county, state, and area. And me, or developer, is not taking responsibility for you guys to use this tweak. So use at your own risk. This is called Checkra1n for YouTube. It's basically a YouTube plus alternative. So it requires YouTube app from the App Store. So save videos up to 4K resolution, save videos, audio. You can use YouTube picture-in-picture mode. So block all ads, enable background playback, play in high quality on mobile data. So pretty cool. This is called Checkra1n for YouTube by STEMgrade. No ads, no red banner in Checkra1n. Works on iOS and iPadOS. iOS 11. From 11 to 14. So no ads and no red banner and Checkra1n. This is called FB Freeze and Disable Facebook Messenger read receipt. So yep. This is called Calm Beautiful First Sight. This is called Bye Bye Adversary Label. Removes the annoying parental adversary pop-up. This is called No Clutter. Hide elements that clutter iOS. Next is a theme called Alive Themes. This is called Linux. Ultimate iDevice Customization for iOS 14. Ultimate Customization. So supports iOS 12 and 13. This is called Linux 2 Ultimate Device Customization for iOS 14 and up. This is called Vinyl and simplified look for the lock screen music player. This is called Lottie Status Bar. Lottie animations for your status bar. So its animation engine lets you run Lottie's animations for your status bar. So it's kind of like a theme engine, but instead of downloading themes, you can download animations. This is called Lottie Lock Screen animations for your lock screen. This is called Keyboard ASIO or ASIO. Supports iOS 5 to 14. It makes the global key always switch between the first, second input modes of your keyboard settings. This is called Little 12. Brings iPhone X features and more to devices running iOS 14. This is called Magma Evo. Redefine your control center. This is called Translate-O-Matic. Quickly translate any text. This is called Circleizer. Brings a unique music visualizer experience to your lock screen and notification center on iOS 12 and 13. This is called PMP. Hide pictures and videos. iOS 11, 12, 13, and 14. This is called Anti-Launch, and it's free compared with iOS 8 to 13. This will make your icons animate on various actions.